Rahim Bakhsh Badawi was one of the early educational leaders of Sindh, who not only dedicated himself to the advancement of education, but also achieved prominence in his time through social reforms, girls' education, and scientific services. He was born in Shikarpur around 1852. His father, Rahim Bakhsh Badawi, was involved in the trade of guns and swords during the British era, while his grandfather, Ahmed Badawi, migrated from Multan and settled in Shikarpur. Rahim Bakhsh Badawi studied the Holy Quran at the age of 5 in the madrasa of Akhund Kamaruddin Qureshi. Later, he studied at Sindhi Primary School No. 1 in Shikarpur and also joined the teaching profession. After completing his education in Sindhi and English, he underwent teacher training for 3 years in Hyderabad and was then appointed as a teacher in the vernacular school in Shikarpur, where he became known as a capable, hard-working, and successful teacher. In 1896, he was appointed headmaster of the same school, while in 1904, he became superintendent of primary schools in Shikarpur. Later, after the end of his service, he was appointed headmaster of Gambat Central School with the support of Aga Gul Hassan Khan, Deputy Minister of Khairpur State, from where he retired in 1919. Rahim Bakhsh Badawi rendered extraordinary services for the promotion of education. He prepared Muslim families for the education of girls and played an important role in the construction of the present Qazi Mahalla Primary School in Shikarpur, with the support of well-wishers of the Hindu community. He also sold his personal property and built mosques in Mangi Mahalla and Naya Kubri, which is a clear proof of his philanthropy and spirit of service to the people. He was also fond of knowledge, literature, and fine arts. He was a close friend of Sufi poet Sufi Qadir Bakhsh Badawi, a well-known Sufi of Sindh. Rahim Bakhsh Badawi prepared an important 148-page book on Sindhi grammar in 1901, in which Persian poetry was also included for understanding. Apart from this, he himself used to write poetry. This scholar, writer, and poet died on July 4, 1931. He was buried next to his father, Rahim Bakhsh Badawi, in Naya Maqam, Shikarpur. Rahim Bakhsh Badawi's academic, literary, and social services will always be remembered in the history of Sindh.